Welcome back to Skibbity Tech. In today's video, I will show you the new updated method to install ESign on iOS devices and how to install IPA files on your iPhone and iPad without a PC and without jailbreak. This method is currently working on iOS 15 up to the latest iOS versions, including iOS 26.5 and iOS 27 beta. I'm personally testing it on my iPhone running iOS 27 beta, and everything is working perfectly. Okay. Let's get started. First of all, download the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Safari, and then open Skibbity Tech website. I will put the website link in the description. Then hit on Get Started. Then hit Allow to download the profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Settings, and then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install. And then hit Install again to install Downloaded Profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now you will see the Skibbity Tech app on your iPhone or iPad home screen. Now open the Skibbity Tech app. Now you will see different ESign links available there. Simply hit on arrow down button in front on the first ESign link, and then hit Install to install ESign in your iPhone or iPad. Once ESign is installed in your iPhone or iPad, now open Setting, and then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management, and then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and restart to let ESign app work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, now you will see that the ESign app will start working properly without any problem. Now simply hit on three dots on top, and then hit on Import option, and then simply select the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad, and then hit Import again. Once the IPA file is imported, now hit on Apps option at bottom, and then hit on the imported IPA file. Then hit on Signature, and then hit on Signature again. Now hit Install, and then hit Install again to install your IPA file in your iPhone or iPad. Why this method is popular. No PC required, no jailbreak required. Works on iPhone and iPad. Supports iOS 15 to iOS 26 and newer beta builds. Easy installation process. Direct IPA installation, beginner friendly. And that's it for today's tutorial. If this guide helped you install ESign and IPA files on your iPhone or iPad, make sure to leave a like. Subscribe for more iOS tutorials, ESign updates, IPA installation guides, and the latest working methods. Drop a comment below and let me know which iPhone, iPad, and iOS version you're using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.